So our startup is Launch.Ur.WS, which also means Launch.Your.WS. Alright. So our inspiration is the likes of Aris. It's actually his Agri phase. Alright, so he's a web developer for 5 years. He's ramped up with loads of programming words, and still we have to do SEO. And fuck, right? Okay, so he has to go to Google, to Yahoo, to other search engine and social media to just, do SEO and SMO stuff. So we just like to make things easier and simple for him. So why not give him a Launch.Ur.WS button? Okay, so what do we have in the Launch.Ur.W page? So Aries can just type the link here on top of the on this field, and then click the click the launch button, and instantly his website will be shared in social media, search engines, and it will be launched every time he has updates outside. Alright. So you can see here the websites that are also launched real time. And then visitors can also forward it and share it to their social media. So it gives equal opportunity for new websites to stand up. Okay, so there's also a Launchpad page where top-rated launched website here at this page. So these are the top ones, the forwardable and survivable. Okay, so we also have a launcher page where each launch website will have its own page. So viewers, visitors can view and comment about it. And of course, there will be a search feature wherein people can see filtered results, no blogs and reviews, just straight to the source, just the websites. Okay. There's also a profile page where the uploader can manage his posts and launch the websites. Alright, so upon launching it last night, here are what the people said already about Launch.Ur.WS. Alright, so they're looking forward to it, and some brands are actually like to try the Launch.Ur.WS platform. Okay, so the web developers say also that, of course, 70% said that they're submitting in Google, and then 60% said that they're announcing their websites in social media. Okay, so they find that 80% find that it's an added work to actually go through each social media and social networks. So absolutely 100% said that it's good if there's a button to do it for them. So cash in, people will pay for what they get. So if they get good traffic, they'll just pay for it. If they get an agreed number for the traffic, they'll pay for that. So Aris here, that's his relax mode, can share this with his co-web developers. And we'd like them to make it a habit to use Launch.WS in their launching efforts. And even help the non-tech people, to just launch their websites right away. Okay, so make it public in a click. Launch.WS.
Hi, I'm a farmer.
Hi, I'm a farmer using Agri.
Really? Agri? What's that?
Agri is a tool that helps me organize, store, and manage farm data with the aid of the web.
Really? So how does that work?
Well, it works first by creating a profile of my product. So for example, my goats. I profile them, and then they provide inputs. Like their daily activities, as you can see there. It also helps me check my animal's condition of this record on the web, and then I share it to the buyers.
Why the need for that?
Well, it helps me to organize properly my daily activities and production. Agri trace tells me what food for the day, like which animal is open for feeding. Breeding, on the production side, it tells me which animal produces more milk, which animal is giving good in having babies. Those things that help me more buyers for it provides them information about my animals.
What? You don't mean that. From my experience, buyers would buy anything even if the animal is sick.
What are you saying? Are you saying you're selling sick animals?
No, you didn't hear that from me.
Okay, so how do you sell them?
Well, I sell them to the local market. I drag my animals from my farm to the market, then lease a space, and wait for everyone who wants to buy them.
And you wait there for a whole day?
Yeah? So how do you sell them?
I sell them online with no hassle. I click the sell button and the buyers online knows I'm selling that animal with a complete history and its performance. But also other breeders can also, so I'm selling not only to the consumers, but also to the other breeders and also to the other areas beside my local market. And I don't have to leave my farm to sell.
Wow, that is a great tool. With this product, it can be more efficient, productive, and transparent farmer to the buyers. So, we have gathered information also about fresh farm produce. So, we interviewed around some people, and this is what they have. So, the number one criteria, especially for us, is freshness, the price usually, and the salesperson will have that. And so, then we asked them, do you get information that you really need about that farm products? And most of them don't have that information, or even the the grocer doesn't provide you that information. So, and then we asked the consumer, so what else information do you want to get from your farmers? So, first is the location, where it's sold, the date of the harvest or the slaughter, and then if, of course, for the organic guys, if it has been produced with fertilizer. So, getting all the information, 100% of them are okay in getting crucial information from the buyers. So, as a last part, we made a difference. We went, Agri is not been yet back, so please, IC guys, please help our partners.
Your property. We're building instant real estate websites. And I just want to take 2 seconds to thank the folks who helped organize this. It's been fantastic. Okay, so we're building instant real estate websites. And what actually do we want as real estate brokers and dealers? We want websites that are great. Well, what's the state of the art right now? Well, most websites look like this. You have, that doesn't work, it's hard to do. We have this, or this, or this, this. Thanks. Okay, so the state of the art is that real estate websites are in general terrible. They just simply don't work. There you go. They, in short, they suck. Why do they suck? Well, they suck because doing real estate websites is not the core business for real estate people. What they like to do is buy and sell property. They like to get customers. So what brokers need is, they need good websites. They want good websites, and they're clearly willing to pay for good websites, because if you go on Google and do a search for real estate listing sites, you'll find literally tens of thousands of these things. Tens of thousands of them, and they're all bad with the exception of like 10 or 15. So let's give them good websites. This is not a hard problem to solve. It's a fairly easy problem to solve, generally speaking. So what does a good website look like for a real estate broker? Well, a good website should be very, very simple. It should look something like Tumblr. When you go to sign up, you simply put in your subdomain, and a website is created for you. That website that's created has all the functionality that you need. It has the property upload pages, it has the listing pages, it has the functionality to contact folks through Twitter. And this is the kind of thing you need. So what we've done is we've built this. We built it right here. There we go. So we built this. It's clear property, and it's the instant property broker websites. The property broker can put in their information right here. Property. And they just simply get started. And there you have it. You have the full functionality of a property broker website. They can drill down, find property. For example, let's say they want to look, if they're looking for property in Quezon City. It'll drill straight down and it'll find all the properties that are listed in Quezon City. So the features here, they're the same for all brokers. All brokers are looking for the same thing. The problem that they have is they don't have the skills to build these kinds of websites. Let's go back to this presentation. So what we're doing is building websites that are far, far better than their homegrown websites. They don't have time to do those. It has tons of features. We scale. Anytime we add new features, they get those features. It's free to get started, and it's no work for the real estate brokers. So the revenue model is that it's freemium. The first 20 listings are free for any broker, and once they've got those listings in, we start taking a small cut. There's a theme marketplace. We have advertising with split revenue, and we have custom domains. So any broker that wants to fully customize their site so it doesn't look like it's a subdomain from us, they can also do that. And we have lots of additional services. So in the future, we can also have support for integrating the listings from one broker to the next, because a lot of times brokers split revenue. And we have support for US MLS listings. In summary, brokers get instant benefits, solves a real problem. Clear property. Thank you.